Hello everybody, welcome to another video. It's Josh here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a decorative ladder. Simple DIY. It shouldn't take you too long, but before we do that, do you mind checking out my social media accounts and Patreon page, all linked up in the description below. And if you could do me a favor and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell notification, it really goes a long way. For now, let's get into the video.
For this build, you're going to need two 1.8 meter 20 by 70 planks, 4 rungs of 400mm, cordless drill, some 10 by 40 chipboard screws, and some wood glue. Now we're going to square off the base of the legs and then measure 1 centimeter from that line to get the angle for the base of the legs. With that first piece cut, you can now use this to create your angle on the second piece. Just make sure that you have them facing the right way, so back to back, so that you have your two outside edges perfectly matched up. We're now going to measure the 4 rungs. I've pre-cut these and pre-drilled these already. And then you want to take your 2 legs and clamp them together. Now, if you don't have clamps, you can utilize zip ties or cable ties to keep your planks nice and secure together. And then we're going to mark out the spacing for the rungs. I set the top rung 300 mils from the top and then 350 mils for the rest of them. Now that we've got the spacing set out, I'm now marking the centers. So this way I can pre-drill. I'm going to use a 3mm bit and I'm going to drill through both pieces at the same time, as this is a time saver and will set things up for attaching the rungs. Once your holes are pre-drilled, you can now remove your zip tie, cable tie clamps. You can just do this with a side cutter and then start preparing to secure the rungs to the first leg. We're going to glue and screw, and what I'm doing here is I'm pre-setting up the screws so that I can line up the screw with the pre-drilled hole, and just follow this process for the rest of the rungs on this leg. We're now going to set up the screws on the second leg. I'm going to drive them through partially to line them up with the holes on the rungs on the other side, just like we did on the first leg. Take your time with this part, as every rung you secure, it is going to become increasingly harder to keep it aligned in the centers as you go down the ladder. Here you can see me making sure that the hole is lined up and flush, and then I'm just going to drive that screw in. Once you've secured all your rungs, make sure to clean up all the excess glue that will have squeezed out from securing the 2 pieces of wood together tightly. It's now time to take it indoors and see what it looks like with the blankets on. Very happy with how it turned out. So is my wife. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has inspired you to do something like this and make one for yourself. Perhaps you've made one already. I would love to know your comments and ideas in the comment box below. Apart from that, I shall see you in the next video. Cheers.